What's up, YouTube? So today, I decided to install my brand new ECS tuning dogbone motor mount. And the reason why I decided to install this one is because the other one is pretty much, done. Well, I'm just gonna show you the install of this motor mount, and I'm going to give a review about it because I've been reading, that this motor mount, the dogbone, it gives some kind of vibration, after you install this engine motor mount. So I actually want to see if this is true. Hopefully, it's not what people are saying, but if it is, then that's what this video is for. So I'm just gonna show a quick video, of what my car was doing, and then I just show you the installation of this motor mount. Yep. Okay, so it's really easy. You just gotta put your car, on some type of ramps, or use some stands, whatever you have. It's pretty simple. You only need a 13mm socket and a 16mm socket. That's pretty much all you need, a 13 and a 16. So you only gotta get underneath the car, and you're gonna see your bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These two right here are 13 and these are 16. So let's just start, just by loosening these two first, and then we take off the other ones. This is a really simple task. We're not gonna get them all the way out, which is just a little bit. And now we're gonna get the 13 with a 13mm socket. We're gonna get these two bolts out, all the way out. So I'm just gonna pause the video and get this out, and then I get the other ones. Oh no. Okay, those two bolts are completely out, and I'm just gonna get these two. Oh, we have 16 socket. One is out. Motor mount came out. So let's see how this looks. Oh. Okay, let's compare these two first. That's the stock ECS. Yep, they have to be the same size and everything. ECS tuning just puts, like a black shiny coating, so it looks pretty cool. And the rover is red, so this one, as you can see, is pretty much done. So, but what I really want to see is if I really do want to get, some type of vibration from the steering wheel. If I do, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep this one or send it back. So let's just install this one right here. You already saw the video on how the car move. So that was pretty bad. So like I said, this is pretty easy to install. Remember, the part with the holes needs to go to the bottom facing the floor, and the flat surface or whatever, you know, it needs to face the engine. So just put it in. This is really easy, guys. So let's put the long bolt first. The long one is the one that goes to this first hole right here. Don't go all the way up, just a little bit, just to hold it there. Then put the other one, you know, that holds the bracket, not all the way in. Once this is holding, now we're gonna put the two little ones all the way in. This is the second upgrade, you know, that I done to these JETTA. So I bought it. The motor mount, you know, that goes that is on the side, you know, timing bell. It broke, so I bought the car. People told me, you know, I need a new engine. So thank God, you know, when I lift up the car, there was nothing wrong with the engine. So I'm just gonna tie these two bolts right now. Like I said, this one's just all the way in before you put the other two. These are in. And let's put this one all the way in. I pay $112 for this motor mount, and that was because I asked for 3 to 4 days shipping. Okay, I just put those two bolts, and the other ones, just make sure, you know, you tie them really good. And that's pretty much it. Less than 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna go and start the car, put it down, and see if I have the vibration. Okay, I'm in the car right now. I'm about to put it down. Well, you can't really see it, but I can feel it. It's not the air, ma. Close the windows. And let's see. I do see it. I don't know if you can see it, but this back is gonna tell us everything. As you can see, I have that vibration, you know, from the steering wheel. So I can really feel the vibration. I mean, the engine vibrating. Well, this is actually not cool. Well, it is. It wasn't doing that. So I know the engine is not gonna move anymore. No, it's not moving. I'll let me get a better shot. Well, the engine seems, you know, like it's not. Nope. not anymore. But yep, these people were right. There's a little you can feel the vibration, you know, inside of the car, especially, you know, on the steering wheel. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna drive it, and then, you know, I just update. I'm going to update you again to see how the car is driving. I mean, if I feel, you know, any other thing, but if not, you know, that's pretty much it. So thanks so much for watching, you know, and I hope you can subscribe to the channel. And remember, you know, I have way more upgrades for this car. It's a project. So next thing, you know, like I said, maybe 550cc injectors, and I already ordered a new PCV valve system because mine is broken, like I showed you on my last video. You see? That's pretty much done. That plastic doesn't work. I ordered the one from ECS Tuning, the one that comes with the silicone hoses, and the that breather right there is no longer a plastic. I think it's aluminum, something like that. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you know this stuff, and I hope you can subscribe to the channel.